Cardio Pradita Yoga from SDIT Al Furqon, Palembang.
Cardio.
Dear honorable judges and all my friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Cardio. I'm the 5th grader of Abu Ayub on the Islamic Elementary School of Al Furqon. Today, I'm going to tell you a story about the dog and the wolf. Please listen to me carefully and let me begin. One sunny day, a hungry wolf was walking around the countryside searching for food. Near a village, he saw a healthy and happy dog. The wolf felt a little jealous because of the dog and asked the dog, "Why are you so healthy and happy?" The dog answered, "Woof, I live to give you food and a place to sleep. In return, I will protect the house." The wolf thought for a moment. This sounded like a great idea and asked the dog, "Maybe I could live with you and have an easy life too." The dog nodded and both of them walked together to the house. The wolf noticed that there was a mark on the dog's neck. The dog explained, this is my collar. My owner ties me up during the day and let me go out during the night to protect the house." The wolf thanks the offer from the dog. "Thanks for the offer, but I don't want to live like that. I'd better be free and find my own food." The wolf ran away to the forest, leaving the dog alone. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the moral message of this story is better to be a free man than a chained man. Free bodies doesn't make feel hard. Remember, every choice we make comes with its own consequences. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's all my short story for today. Thank you for listening to me. Wassalamualaikum